We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another auction video, man. Today we at IAA once again. We at the one that don't let you start some cars, but people bucking today, they starting some cars, man. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you join the Hustle Nation, man. I will really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get right into it and look for some of these cars. Check him out. Check him out. Let's see what we got though, man. We got the Silverado, no, Sierra, GMC Sierra. Let's see what we looking like. Are we gonna be able to get through here? And let me see. We probably gotta go around, y'all. All right. Got the GMC Sierra. It came from Title Max, 271,000 miles on it. Looks all right. Kind of flat. Looks good though. Damn, this boy clean too. We ain't got no power though. Nope. Dang. But seats clean and everything. It just need a middle console needs to be clean. But check out the leather and everything. This boy is in pretty good condition for it to be 271,000. See what the hood looking like under here. All right, what we got? Do we got the 5.0? I mean 5.3. Yeah, 5.3. Vortec looks all right. Boy dead though, so it does us no good. But I hear a lot of people here, they just you know, they just try to spend as cheap as they possibly can, you know, like less than 1,000. That's what somebody told me. But so what kind of wheels are on here? Got some different type of wheels on there. Thought them tires look a little bit more beefy, but let's keep it moving. All right, we got another one here. Oh, it says no brakes though. You know me, I'll buy something like this, but not with no brakes, man. See, something like this, you have to really pay cheap. Let me see. Tires look good. If y'all ain't seen my video, y'all who just joined the Hustle Nation, man, I bought one of these by mistake. What is that? I don't know what that is. This cars, they letting you know. At least they let you know that it ain't got no brakes. This bug look ragged out though. Needs a new tire right here. Goddamn Mercury Sable, man. Bought one of these by mistake. Make sure y'all check that video out. Got a new Camry. 20,000 miles. Front end is damaged. 2018. Just the front end. Run and drive. I like the new Camrys, man. I like the new Camrys and I like the new Honda Accords. And that door was, this one kind of dirty though, man. I thought I was gonna see leather, but this must just be like the base model. Damn, they ragged this one out, y'all, already. I know the airbag is blown out and everything, but there's no reason for this car to look like this. Come on, y'all. Damn, they gotta do better. They gotta do better. 20,000 miles though. How much something y'all think like this will cost to fix though? Right here, looks like a bumper. Let's see. Little 4-cylinder. I don't think it touched the motor. It say run and drive, so you know it's still running. Just what y'all think something like this cost to fix? Right here. Let me know in the comments below. All right, y'all, check this one out. We got somebody else cranking something up over there. Let's check this one out, man. This one been here for like 2 weeks, man. Check it out. Wait, let me brighten my phone up a little bit for y'all. There you go. The current bid is at $925 though, and this boy don't even say run and drive or nothing. Like, I know a lot of people in the comments were saying like y'all give 1,000 for it, but man, y'all got to check this boy out. Look at it though. Look at it. I mean, I guess if you just want the body, like the body is good, but man, look at the inside though. Like, I mean, I guess it could be cleaned up for real. I guess, you know, it's gonna take a minute to get it like super clean, but I guess it can be clean. And it's stinking here too, like some stuff over there. Like, we got food in here, everything, man. But I guess it's not that bad, man. But let me show y'all the other side too. Y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all still give them, well, shit, it's already at 1,000. I can't get in this door. But see, we got, that's food right there, like a banana or something. That's why it smells like that. But somebody give 1,000 for it. Obviously, it's at 925. It's not listed as a run and drive or anything. So I don't know. The motor looks straight though. 300,000 though. Somebody just probably gonna put another motor in and clean it up real good. And I guess you can get your money. You know, replace the windshield and you probably get your money. But y'all let me know in the comments below. All right. See, they bucking today, man. Let's go ahead and look at the car he was looking at. Infiniti QX4. Got 200,000 miles on it. We heard that it cranked up. So let's see, the body look good. Leather look good too. Just need to be cleaned up down there. See what we got over here. We looking good. Leather interior. We already know this boy be cranked up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go and crank it. Let me see something. Oh, it was dead. It's dead. I think he cranked it up with his little box he had. He did. So, yeah, man. But we know it cranks up, but we're gonna go ahead and keep it moving. All right, let's go ahead and look at this Nissan Titan. My boy had cranked up over here. See what we got. Nice leather interior. Mine was in leather though. I've had like 2 of these, but neither one of them was a leather one. Matter of fact, neither one of them had the 4 doors. They were both just a crew cab. How many miles on here? 132. Man, this bad boy probably gonna go. This is a nice truck. Damn, I like this one, y'all. 132 on the miles. Clean. Let's look at the, let me see. One I paid, damn, what did I pay? I paid $29 for one of them. And I think 25 for the other one. But the 25 one was kind of like ragged out. Let me look over here too. Man, it's a nice truck. I'm about to put this joint on the scanner real quick. We already know it crank up. I don't know what they gonna pay at IAA for it though. It's a nice truck. I like this truck, y'all. 132. And who's selling it? It's a regular seller. Just like a regular name. Let me see. Let's put this on the scanner though. Alright, let's see what we got, man. This joint taking all day. Alright, let's see what we got. And we green too, man. Damn, I like this truck, man. I like this truck. Let's see something real quick. But it don't look like the cop got out the car, so. Did he get out the car? No, he didn't. Let me go and crank it real quick. Let's see. Yeah, that boy crank. That boy ready. Yeah, man. I like this truck, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, but I like it. We gotta check the motor. Yeah. Yeah, this truck ride, man. I just don't know who that seller is, though. All right, guys, we got this Benz right here. 230,000 miles on it, though. They say it cranks up. Look on the inside. It's dirty. Got the little girl seats. I mean, Floor mats. Let's see, man. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this mug ragged out. It's ragged out. We ain't gonna mess with it. It was nice to look at though. The body looked good, but let's keep it moving. But all right, YouTube, I'm sorry to wrap this video up so fast, but I got up out of there. I ain't see nothing I like up in that bad boy. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for your boy. I appreciate you. But I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. It's your boy Ray. Peace.